How to enable silence on unknown callers on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series and you want to silence unknown callers on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. With this feature turned on your iPhone, all unsaved contacts on your iPhone will be silenced or forwarded to voicemail. Now to do this, just go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. So it doesn't matter whether you're using iOS 18 or still on iOS 17 on your iPhone 12. So just scroll down, locate the phone app if you are yet to upgrade to iOS 18, and if you are on iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps. Under apps, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling on to get to the phone app, and then click on it. Then here, scroll down the page. Then you need to locate silence unknown callers and click on it. Then here, go ahead and turn this on, and that's going to silence all unknown callers on your iPhone 12. Now, you will only be able to receive calls from contact or numbers received on your iPhone, while all unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. You'll still be able to see them as missed calls, but you'll not get notifications that you have an incoming call. To disable this, just turn this off, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to enable silence unknown callers on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.